The Obi-Wan Kenobi teaser trailer, Disney Plus. I have not watched this. It's number one on trending, 7.38 million views.
It's trending number one. I think it was out yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And it garnered a lot of views, as you can see.
And the people love it. 422,000 thumbs up. I have not watched it. You have watched it. You're going to play it for me. The people are going to have to watch it on their own second window because we can't show it.
Yeah.
Right?
It's trending, I think, number one at this time.
Disney will kill us.
So you can just catch it, open another window.
They won't actually kill us, but I feel they need to clear that up. Mm-hmm. Sony will not allow it. Or Disney, or Sony.
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, Sony, what are you mad about? Go ahead, we'll play it so that I can at least see it.
All right. I'm just going to queue it up with other people right now. Just going to count down.
Oh, cool. Oh, nice. So we're going to watch together? Okay, you got to go open this in a separate window or on another device so that we're going to watch this together. Wow, it's really interesting.
And there's no sound, right? Because we can't play it.
This is really... I'm going to hear sound or no?
No.
Okay, I'm not going to hear sound. I don't know that I need to because you watched it before and you said, I don't need to. I can still react.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, play.
Wow. We have to respond silently to this. I feel the need to narrate.
Yes.
So I'm guessing they're in Tatooine.
They're always in Tatooine.
And it's Ewan McGregor. So
which is lovely.
This probably takes place
like
between the first series and the second series.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and he was Phantom Menace.
He was in Phantom Menace.
He was Phantom Menace.
Yeah. And you can kind of see, I think he was looking at Luke Skywalker there. Mm-hmm. Just keeping an eye out on him.
No, wait, Luke or Anakin?
That was Luke.
That was Luke?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How do you know? How does Kirk know for sure?
I've seen him Star Wars.
And this is obviously streaming exclusively on Disney+.
Of course it is. They can get some subscriptions out of this.
And there's Jedis.
It's all the things.
I think he was in the first.
They got a budget or what do they got?
Yeah, this is a crazy budget.
They got a budget for it. So it's going to be big. It's going to be better than Boba Fett. Is that what you're saying?
Bigger than Mandalorian. Because this is Obi-Wan Kenobi. This is the OG.
Better than Mandalorian?
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. Will has said it on the record here. We're seeing a battle. There's a sort of Darth Vader-esque type villain character going on.
A Sith Lord.
Oh, it would be a Sith.
It
would be a Sith Lord.
Yeah.
That's what you would call it.
Yeah.
There were lightsabers, which everyone loves. And actually, they just put a lightsaber in the Disney logo at the end.
That's very creative, eh?
This has a lot of people excited.
Yeah.
Right now, there's plenty of people that know more about this lore than I do. But see, he's practicing driving, which is Anakin.
Mm-hmm.
What?
No, that's
Luke.
That's Luke.
But
That's Luke and his uncle and his aunt on the moisture farm in Tatooine.
oh, right, because I guess Obi-Wan is older too.
He looks older.
If
but
Obi-Wan
I could be wrong.
No, if Obi-Wan's that old, then it can't be Anakin because then it doesn't make any sense. Which, look at his binoculars. Steampunky. And his leather glove.
It looked like they were in Blade Runner for a minute.
In the city scene? Yeah. I like the city scene. Very futuristic. I'll watch this thing. I'll watch this thing.
Okay.
I'll give this a crack. It's been a while with the lightsabers and such. What is it? It's going to be like an 8 episode?
They don't.
Well, who's that? Who's that? What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah,
maybe someone in the comments can tell us.
It's a red lightsaber.
Red means evil, right?
Yes, sir, it does. Red means bad news for you.
Yeah, so it's airing in May 25th.
May 25th. That's not too far
Limited series. Yeah, I mean it's fine.
Why does that trailer breakdown say Vader? is this like a different look at a Vader? A different Vader?
Oh, remember when Vader takes his helmet off? He looks like that.
But I mean, not like that.
But like enough like that.
Okay. Okay, then. That's Vader.
Heard it from Kirk.
Will doesn't want to go on the record with that. Anyway, listen, number 1 on trending. You need to know what's going on. That's why we bring it to you. You need to be informed. You need to be aware of the internet. And so we help you with that. It's our job. It's our mission. We appreciate it. We appreciate you for letting us do that, for nominating us to do that. I don't know if anyone ever cast an official ballot. Probably not. But just by being here, that counts.
Yeah.
It's all we need. And we'll continue to feature a wide breadth. And Mo's going to keep supplying stories because he's a newsman now, too. It can't just be Willie Do. He's a newsman. He's talking about stock splits now.
I know.
What is
I'm
this?
learning so much from him.
I feel like we're progressing rapidly towards like a wise Mo.
I think so.
No. I'm gonna stay silly on this show.
Oh, okay, so we shouldn't get carried away?
No.
Don't you remember the one time we painted the picture with the
Right.
pipe? And I don't know.
That was nice. I like the pocket watch.
It's a borderline going on. I think we got one more day in this week.
Yep, tomorrow at noon.
I think we'll see you tomorrow at noon. This thing happens at noon. Go check out later shorts on YouTube and I don't know, subscribe if you want to, or just watch a couple of them.
Yeah.
Kirk's been editing and nobody even saw any of it. So he's very upset.
Shout out.
He's very upset about it. He's editing and nobody even saw any of it. So just go watch it and
What?
go watch it and then leave a comment as well. Leave a comment and possibly subscribe as well.
Definitely.
Later shorts, and of course, there's always later clips for you too. This is it's a whole. There's a whole
Every format.
There's
we
a whole
touch
universe going on here. This is kind of like Star Wars
Yes.
or Disney Plus
Yeah.
or Obi-Wan
Kenobi.
or some type of Skywalker. Is this the red or the green lightsaber though?
Both. Dual wield. You got to do that.
Oh.